Welcome back to the channel, everybody. My name's Artie with CoinCasso, and this is Bitcoin Today, a show where we talk about everything cryptocurrency to keep you guys up to date and informed on all things happening in the crypto industry. In today's video, Bitcoin looks overbought, but analysts are actually reducing people's fear. Crypto wallet maker Ledger actually loses 1 million emails in a data theft. And the Winklevoss twins say the next Bitcoin run will be much different than the one before. We also do a brief technical analysis on some of the top cryptocurrencies, as well as the current prices of cryptocurrencies today. Good morning, everybody. It is Thursday, July 30th. Thank you so much for joining me every single day. Thank you for coming back. Thank you for all the likes. Thank you for all the new subscribers. Over 2,000 new subscribers in the last 30 days. You guys rock. And as always, the show is sponsored by the CoinCasso Cryptocurrency Exchange, the official partner of Paris Saint-Germain. So if you're looking for a place to buy, sell, and trade cryptocurrencies, check out CoinCasso in the link in the description below. Let's jump right into these prices. Bitcoin is currently sitting at $11,030, which is only up 0.7% from yesterday. Ethereum also up 0.7% at $317.34. XRP only up 0.3% at 0.2407. Cardano down 2.5% at 0.1411, and Chainlink down 1.7% at $7.18. Cryptocurrency trading volume over the last 24 hours has slowed down quite a bit. Bitcoin only at 25 billion, Ethereum 11 billion, XRP 1.8 billion, Cardano 400 million, and Chainlink 550 million. Now let's jump into TradingView and take a closer look at Bitcoin to see what the price is going to do over the next few days. Okay, so 2 days ago we hit a maximum price of 11,418. People took their profits and dropped the price down to 10,500. Over the next subsequent 8 hours, it did spike back up to 11,200, dropping back down to below 11,000 at 10,841. These last two drops in price are a little bit concerning to me because we hit this $11,300 mark and then immediately dropped back down. Most of this red candlestick was had in 5 minutes. We came back up to this $11,300 level, and then we saw a big drop off below 11,000 again as it's climbing back up. So what I'm seeing is a lot of pressure and resistance right here at the $11,300 mark. The thing that keeps me optimistic about this current Bitcoin run is this low is the fact that we're having higher highs and higher lows. So if this next run up goes above this $11,300 level, even just a little bit, we'll still be in an upwards climb, which is very bullish. And if you're curious about Ethereum, we are just seeing a consolidation phase right now. We're not seeing higher highs or higher lows. They're just kind of up and down, back and forth. There's absolutely no trajectory, like which direction it's actually going to go. RSI sitting at about the 50 level, trading between the Bollinger Bands nicely. So we might see another 24 to 36 hours of consolidation before we see any movement, or it'll wait till Bitcoin takes a move and then follow suit. And quickly taking a look at Cardano, since they had their Shelly release last night, typical buy the rumor, sell the news scenario, a lot of people started selling off right before the launch. The price did try to climb back up a little bit, but again, right as Shelly launched, we saw a nice decrease, but we are climbing back up a little bit. Like I said in yesterday's video, I'm not looking at spikes up right now because of Shelly and everybody staking. We're looking at the amount of clients that Cardano is going to partner with over the next 6 months and the amount of people that are going to be staking their tokens, which gives you nearly 5% annual returns if you stake what you already have. And the more people stake, the less supply there's going to be on the market, the higher demand, higher price. That's what I'm anticipating. And like I said before, our next target zone is going to be this 18-cent level. So hopefully in the next 30 days or so, we start climbing up to this 18-cent mark. Now on to the news. This first article is titled Bitcoin Looks Overbought, but Analysts Playdown Drops Fears. With Bitcoin rising to its highest level in 11 months this week, some investors are beginning to worry that the cryptocurrency is overbought and may be due for a notable price drop. Bitcoin's price rose to 11,319 on Monday, the highest level since August 2019. At the time of writing, the cryptocurrency is trading near 11,100, representing an 18% gain from the lows near 9,400 observed a week ago. The sudden rally has pushed the 14-day relative strength index RSI above the 80 level. A measurement over 70 is considered overbought, meaning the bullish move is now overstretched. Although a similar pattern was observed during the bull market frenzy of 2017. Prices could rise quickly towards 12,000 in the short term if the US Federal Reserve signals higher tolerance for inflation. That could yield another sell-off for the greenback and send gold held above the $2,000 mark. Like I said in a previous video, if that RSI level keeps rising up and we break like an 84 level, that's when we saw the huge spikes and parabolic movement in Bitcoin in the past. Next up in the news, the crypto wallet Ledger. Crypto wallet maker Ledger loses 1 million email addresses in data theft. Ledger said customer details have been stolen in a data breach that may have well been exploited for over 2 months. In a note to clients Wednesday, CEO Pascal Guthier said the French hardware wallet provider fell victim to a large-scale data breach from an unauthorized third party. The hacker, whose identity remains unknown, gained access to Ledger's e-commerce and marketing database. Customers affected include those who signed up for Ledger's newsletter or to receive promotional materials. Information stolen may include addresses, with smaller subset of 9,500 customers also having their full names, postal address, and phone numbers exposed. In total, the company estimates around 1 million email addresses have been stolen. Payment information, passwords, and cryptocurrency funds have not been affected. This is key right here. A Ledger spokesperson confirmed the data breach has now been fixed. So this is extremely important to note. Only the information off their e-commerce side got stolen, not people's information for their cryptocurrency wallets. So as long as your Ledger is in a safe place, nobody has access to it, and that hasn't been hacked. Next Bitcoin bull run will be dramatically different. Cameron Winklevoss, a billionaire founder of the cryptocurrency exchange Gemini, believes the next Bitcoin bull run will be much different. Winklevoss noted that there is substantially more capital, infrastructure, and better projects. He said, today there's exponentially more capital, human capital, infrastructure, and high-quality projects than in 2017. Not to mention the very real specter of inflation that all fiat regimes are facing going forwards. Buckle up. Various data points hint at a significant increase in the amount of global capital held by investors in the cryptocurrency market. Major cryptocurrency exchanges have also received more regulatory clarity, improving the infrastructure of the market. Two metrics primarily show that more money could be involved in the latest Bitcoin rally. The first, the market capitalization of Tether has surpassed 10 billion. Second, the assets under management by Grayscale Investments recently achieved a new high. So before, when Bitcoin had its previous humongous bull rally up to $20,000, there was far less people in cryptocurrency. Financial institutions weren't involved in cryptocurrency, and there was far less coins and tokens and DeFi and dApps than we have right now. So taking into consideration the high RSI levels and this possible bull rally that we could have breaking the $20,000 barrier, all of these are possible because of how much cryptocurrency has grown since 2017. I'm definitely holding everything for the long term. I'm definitely not day trading because you never know when you could wake up. Just like Ethereum over the last 5 days, we've seen a 40% growth. So you never know when you're going to wake up and your Bitcoin's going to be worth twice as much as it is right now. Let me know what you guys think. Keep day trading these swings up and down, or hold long just in case we have a huge price spike. Don't forget to leave a like on this video on your way out, and we will see you back here tomorrow.